This video is going to show you how to do a search in EBSCO database. At the LinearTech front page, which is lineartech.edu, click My LTC, and then click Link to Library website. And at the left side panel, click on Galileo. All right, Galileo lists all databases on top of the page, front page. You can click on all databases, and if you know the title of the database, you can type in the database name here, or you can go alphabetically. EBSCO probably is E, right? And then you'll see EBSCO, and they have several pages starting with E. So easiest way might be just type EBSCO, okay, and search. Okay, right here is EBSCO databases. EBSCO is a large vendor Galileo database here, okay? And you can choose a subject to do search, okay? Like say if you wanted to do some academic search, or this individual databases inside EBSCO. EBSCO again is sort of like an umbrella. It has included a combination of databases here, okay? You can also say select all and do search, do cross database search, all of them, okay? Again, in any search in Galileo, we always suggest you to use advanced search, all right? And so you click on advanced search, it gives you more criteria to manipulate your search. First, again, the very basic, the first important elements when you do a Galileo search is form your search term, okay? For example, okay, I wanted to do some gun control research, okay? Again, this left side drop-down menu lists 3 Boolean operator, and, or, not. In, again, Galileo, including EBSCO, most frequently used is and to combine your terms to try limit your returns. And term A and term B and term C. And the next one is or. Or is under circumstance if you are doing a very specific term search that you can't find enough returns. You can use alternate terms and combine with the or Boolean operator to expand your search. The last one, not, is being specific. Term A, but not term B, not term C, okay? In our example, we're still going to use an and, okay? So let's do a few term search, combination term of search. Maybe gun rights, yay, and gun laws. And at this time, if you click search, that is called basic search, okay? It's going to give you, generally, it's going to give you large number of returns, like this one, more than 30,000 returns. Now, go back to advanced search, use more criteria to manipulate your search, okay? You can, not you can, but I suggest you always check full text, because we need full original article to read to decide we wanted to quote and cite and quote. And this, if you check this full text option, basically will make your returns with attached original article. And you can also limit your returns by publication time. Like if I only want a recent couple of years returns, I can type in the year, okay? And there are more criteria. You have a time, you can go through each of them and check anything you apply to your search. And the term-wise, you can keep adding more terms too, right? Now, if at this time, if I click on search, that is advanced search, all right? Now, the number suddenly dropped to 896. That's still a lot, but, and it's less, right? And you can go back to advanced search to further refine your search. You can also use the left side panel, like say if I only want a peer-reviewed publication. You can even refine your search using left side panel options. Now the returns drop from 800 something to 300 something, right? A good number, I always call it in between 50 to 100 return. That's good numbers, all right? And if I just click on one example here, and this basically is a record page and show you most important, actually most elements you need for your citation, whether it's APA citation or MLS citation, depending on what your instructor require you to use, the format. Most elements are already listed in the record page, like the title of the article, the authors, the source means the publication journal title, publication time, and the issue, publication information, issue number, volume number, page number. And normally include a database name at bottom page behind database column. And there's one important element that you will need is called DOI, Digital Object Identifier. This is needed if you find your resources inside Galileo, okay? Sometimes most of those records should include the DOI information. If it doesn't, you can create a permalink, okay? Permalink compared to the URL that lists on the search web browser is more permanent, okay? Just by the spell, you know what does it mean. If you click on PDF full text, this is a full article, right? You read it and you quote some of them. You feel like it's a very good resource. You're going to create a citation at the end of your paper. You can click this little paperclip icon, and this will create a permalink on the top of the page for you, okay? And we actually do have the resources that for you to reference on to create a citation. Oh, go back to this record page that some smart students saw a little link here called a cite. If you click it, it probably show you the citation for different format, but I wouldn't totally depend on it. Okay, you got to create your own. This can be a good reference only. And if you're not sure how to format your citation, we can introduce a very useful tool for you. Okay, and that's inside the research guide. But we have another video clip on specifically on video clip, and I'll just click on any of those the research guides. In any of the research guide, there's a little tab called Writing and Citing. We create some quick guides for APA and MLA citation. If that's not enough, you can always go to Purdue OWL to help with your citation creation. All right, that's basically a example search inside the EBSCO database.